Hey yo, what's cracking? It's your boy Z. Get back at it with another video for y'all today. And as you can see, I got some guests with me. Alright, Big J, so what's up, man?
Never been in a vlog before.
Say what's up. Say what's up.
What up?
Where's Wyatt?
Yeah,
over there. Where you at? Show him. Hey, okay. So I'm gonna tell y'all what we're doing today. The 200 chicken nugget challenge in under what? 10 minutes? Whoa. 10 minutes. Under 10 minutes. I'm with it. We did it for the views. So under 10 minutes right now, we finna go to Mickey D's. But here, switching to Dakota Cam. Know how it is, man. We just pulled up to Mickey D's and we about to go to the drive. What they got? What they saying? What they talking? What they talking? Go, you want to order, Wyatt? Yeah, I got you. Wyatt's ordering. Too far? Too far?
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you?
Hi. Can we get 200 chicken nuggets?
200 chicken nuggets?
Yeah, 200.
Yeah, let me check. 1 second.
All right.
If he doesn't do it, he's a.
If you don't do it,
he's a lame. And subscribe.
Alright.
Yeah, buddy.
You guys are about to. I'm gonna film it.
What I'm saying. What's up?
200 nuggets.
Yes, I did.
5 pirates.
Yes.
That would be $53.
But you gonna get that from bed. How do you say? How do you say?
Bro, you can tell that man hates his job, bro. He literally hates his job.
That's not all bad and bougie. Car stick. If my car gets declined, we did it for the views. We did it for the views.
Love you.
Thank you so much. Oh, I got it. I'm good. We good. We did it for the views.
Yo, they almost left us all bad and bougie.
Bro, that's just folded, bro.
Alright, so this is what just happened. So we pull up, you know, 200. Hey, he did it for the views.
We did it for the views.
So anyway, so then after that, basically what had happened was the lady pulls up with our drinks, you know, because we got 5 Powerades, and all of a sudden it goes, drinks fold over, and I was lucky I was there because I had to like support Zion, and like I just pull up and I grab the other drink from her, and right now we're just waiting for our 200 nuggets, bro.
And they better give us like a lot of sauce. None of that like 3 sauces. What am I gonna do with 3 sauces when I got 200 wings?
Hey, they're gonna be like, hey, 400 equals 2 sauces.
Like, how? How? Bro, get caught on that shot. Yeah, I'm going to What up? Yeah. Friends to the people with Josses. You know what Joss is? Jossies, you get y'all Adam. Hey, Big J got the Joss. Tell him, Big J. With that haircut. Woo, boy, you so Jossy. Oh, shit. And my boy Nicky was on that wave before anybody was gonna be Joss. Yo, my boy Coda Brown, you know? Hey, yo, we out here, bro.
Coda Black.
Yeah. That's my chicken wings.
Oh, chicken wings. Chicken wings.
Cool, we still in this. We still caught it. Hey, yo, my man, subscribe to Z Give on YouTube, right?
No, talking about that big ass. Don't even do that.
What are you talking about? What you gonna do? Eat, man.
Alright, hold on. Alright, tell us where you're going now.
Right now, we heading back to Wyatt's crib, and then when we get there, we're gonna try to devour these chicken nugget. What? I don't know. Hey, yo, we out. You know we out here. So you know this is Wyatt's crib.
Subscribers.
Oh yeah, every nugget is a subscriber. Hey, we out here, bro. Cool. 200 nuggets. McDonald's. You know what they do, you boy. Go ahead, hit us with the sponsorship. Go ahead and smash the like button right now. And subscribe and comment and share. Alright, so let's get into it.
I don't think it's gonna fit like.
Gotta touch my own. That's food. That's food.
3, 2, 1. Oh, well, okay, that's not bad and bougie. Go. You got so happy. Oh, dude.
That eat these, they don't enjoy it. They just go really crazy on it.
So you ready to advise this?
Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Enjoy it.
After that, for the views.
We did it for the views.
Nuggets in the jar. That's what we gotta do.
Jay's motto is enjoy what you're doing.
Yeah. He said, no, just go in.
You gotta enjoy it. Enjoy it.
Who needs Joey Chestnut when you got all these guys?
Enjoy it. I just need that one.
I don't want to.
Shout out to Brothers Barbershop.
Brothers Barbershop, we shouting you out. But I'm gonna need a sponsorship, so you know what? I'm gonna throw this in there. My link and my social media in the description. Go ahead and hit me up. We'll talk minute. Woo! I'm getting the camera. I'm gonna show.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. This is how. This is what we talking.
That's what it works.
Let's boy that Josh. It'll be like somewhere right here. Somewhere. Let's see what Nikki talking about. What you talking about, boy?
You only had 2 sauces done.
Damn, Big J, you got like 5 sauces done, bro.
You going
I
ham,
told
bro.
you, dude. I need sauce.
Kodak Brown. Yo, so I'm taking a break because I couldn't breathe. Because what happened was my beaver ran out the gate and they kept barking. So I was like, you know what, bro? Like, yeah, then the spoon got lost in the grass and then my grandma wasn't home. So that's what happened. Yeah, but yo, I don't know what this chicken talking about.
That's what we get, right?
Whoa, this is the close. How you know? Hey, yo, that's not bad and bougie.
We did it for the views.
Like this, you want to see another food challenge.
So, like,
You want me to try it like it for sodium?
Yeah.
You want me to try it sodium?
Like you want to do the goat pepper.
like that. Like that.
For the views.
We did it for the views.
Yeah, have one. Take it. What are you doing? Take it. What are you waiting for? Take it, bro. I have one. Look at this.
Yeah, that's like a pan that we eat.
No, you good, bro. You good.
I ain't getting nothing bad and bougie today. You feel me? Hey. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is.
You can do it! You can do it!
We got 29 more. We got 29 more.
Oh, what? 29?
Yeah.
That's nothing.
That's 5. That's
You
5.
can do it!
Enjoy it.
One like for one prayer because they are
You
suffering.
can do it!
Make sure you like and subscribe.
And we did this for the views.
We did it for the views.
You guys can't finish. Come on.
How you feel?
Feeling good, man, but I feel.
No, like post interview. Yo, what else? What else? Alright. Kodak Brown. Yo, how you feel? You ever gonna eat chicken nuggets again?
Yeah.
Not for a while.
Give me about another 3 months.
No, cool, for sure. Hey, McDonald's, you know what to do. Hit the sponsorship. We're done. This was the 200 chicken nugget challenge in under 10 minutes, and by the looks of it,
We suffered.
we destroyed it, boy. We out here, and we did good. All right. Well, if you want to see another one of these, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and share this video. And remember, if you ain't subscribed, see you later.
Para bailar esto es una bomba, para gozar esto es una bomba, para menear esto es una bomba, y las mujeres lo bailan a zumba. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead.